this?
No, but seriously, how is it?
I have a 4-inch pipe.
I know you have a 4-inch pipe, but what's inside the diameter look like?
4 inches.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, there's buildup on the sides.
Okay.
But not like we took out. You know, it's maybe 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch.
Oh, overall on the inside of the piping?
Yeah.
All right, so it's not an urgency.
Not
Not anything. Okay,
I think I'd
good.
kick you out if you said you had to water that line.
All right. Let's see what we got done so far. We took out service weight no hub coupling with a new 3-inch coupling. And we have roughly 40 feet of 3-inch across here, across a coupling, another coupling, another coupling, and then down in the crawl space is the clean out. Okay. Let's see. Fuck. Oh, good thing I got my knee pads on all day. Like I'm giving out blowjobs. Look at that. Very nice. Almost done. Now let's see if that 4-inch is really clean. Yeah, sure is. It sure is. Awesome. I gotta tie this together and clean up. All right. Very nice. We got the 3-inch service weight no hub coupling there. It's 345, 4x3 TY, 4-inch no hub coupling, 4x3 reducing bushing, 3-inch PVC-Y with clean out, and a 45 up there. And you can hear the water running down the drain now. Tits. Very nice.